Good morning, everybody. Welcome. Hopefully, you guys had a solid evening last night. Good morning, Chandler. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society, and good morning, YouTube. We're gonna have some fun today. We're gonna try printing some money once again. What's up, Smooth? I'm excited to see what we get today. We got news at 10 o'clock today. But we're printing bear flags right now. We are printing bear flags.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Jose. Good morning, sir. So we printed this one bear flag right there. Want to see if we get another bear flag, to be honest with you. Because who knows what's going to happen today. Let's see. All right, we got the close from yesterday, 25,278.75 below us here. So we got that one below us. We got the VWAP below us as well. VWAP's currently sitting at 328.75. Let's see, where's our pivot points? We got a pivot to the upside, 476.50. Let me see where our pivot's below us. All right, so below the close from yesterday, we got one at 267.25. So Smooth, I'm glad I've helped you learn a lot, bro. I'm glad, man. That means what I'm doing is working. If you learned a lot, that means what I'm doing is working. And we'll take that. Good morning, Raven.
My clothes from yesterday. I'm not wearing my clothes from yesterday.
Well, thank God. That'd be awkward. Good morning, Steve.
Good morning.
Good morning, Rhonda. Good morning, everybody. Oh, man, I'm a few more days away from finally being back in Mexico. And that's all my mind's been on. Well, I think I'm a fast until like Saturday, starting today.
Hey, not so fast.
So that way I'm dialed and ready for Mexico. Let's see. I'm gonna run downstairs real quick, folks. Don't go anywhere. Be right back. Folks. Alrighty. Andre, what's up, bro? I feel like we've already printed one bear flag before this one. I feel like this is trying to be a bear flag as well. I'm gonna try being patient today because I only need less than $1,000 in 2 accounts to take a nice payout. So slowly but surely. Mr. Nelson, good morning, sir. What's up, Dylan? What's up, boys? How we feeling today? Definitely ready for today. Want to make some smonnies. Need to make some smonnies today. Hang in there, Dylan. Hang in there, bro. I'm looking slim today. It's the camera. It's definitely the camera because your boy's feeling bloated. That's why I'm thinking about fast until Sunday.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, LJ.
Good morning, LJ.
Let's see. Yeah, we're currently above the VWAP right now. No Diddy. You don't have to say no Diddy is. We good. We family, bro. We family. Hamid, good morning, everyone. So right now we're currently sitting at the 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart right now, 377.25. I feel like we're trying to print a bear flag. That's just me. We're printing a bear flag. Yeah, I wish it was 9:46 so I could jump in. We do have news today at 10 o'clock for home sales or something like that. So news at 10. Don't be in the markets at 9:58 till 10. What's a VWAP? The VWAP is volume weighted average price.
Ooh, down at the VWAP.
And the VWAP is currently sitting at 329.50. 329.50, folks. Close from yesterday for all the new people jumping in here. 278.50. 278.50 is the close from yesterday. We do have the pivot down there, 267.50. And we do have a pivot above us, all the way up there at 476.75.
Morning, fellas.
Good morning, G.
There he is.
The man with the plan. And his name's not Stan.
No.
Today I will be jumping off the stream right at 11 because I had to go pick up pizzas for my son's school because today's his birthday. He turned 5 today. So we're taking cupcakes, ice cream, cake, the whole shebang, pizzas. So we're going to get those kids wired on sugar a day in his class. And the teachers are going to hate us. It is what it is.
Can you do your frozen voice for me?
Huh?
Can you do your frozen voice for me?
My frozen voice? Probably not. Good morning, Toby.
Man, you sounded cold on that one clip. Is this bad?
Wolves, definitely not fake, bro. Nice, bro. It's so crazy to think that my kid just turned 5. It doesn't feel like it's been 5 years. But that's how quick time goes. You know what I'm saying? And here, look at that bear flag. We're breaking the yellow line on the 2-minute. I've been watching these flags because this is our second flag right here. Well, technically we could say third flag, but I'll say 2 flags so far. Ugh. And it's pre-market too. Wolf, what are you talking about, bro? I answered you. But yes, I'm profitable.
So, Duane, I was talking about when you were in Canada, that voice.
Oh, I can't do that one. I'm not that cold. Steve, what did you think of that video, though?
I thought it was fun. It was like you went everywhere you went. We're going to do this. Oh, it's not happening. We're going to do this. Hey, we're closed. You want to take the right? Hey, the dogs are arresting, eh?
Well, thankfully, when we're in Mexico, we won't have that issue. So
I hope they don't say like you're like I'm ready to go into the caves. Hey, the caves are closed.
Not the A.
It'll be like ASA.
No, we should be good because since we've been there, this will be our 3rd time in the past couple months here. We may not do as many parks. Like we'll go to like one park. My girl, she wants to do like the jet boat ride. And I'm hoping we could do the underwater excursion as well, where they put a helmet on and you're walking underneath and you got the fish, everything like that swimming around you. So hopefully she's down for that one. She's hesitant.
The fish are closed. The fish are closed.
The fish are closed? So hopefully she'll be down for that one. She want to go parasailing. I told her I'm fine with going parasailing, but I gotta see the weight limit. You know what I'm saying? Gotta see the weight limit. Because I ain't trying to have that string break and I'm just drifting off into the sunset. Like, I got a
And
traders hangout I'm gonna have to get to on Sunday night. And oh, look at market's open, boys. Look at oh, that hurts so bad. I've been watching those bear flags. Market is open. Market is open, folks. Stay safe in the markets. Come on, 946. We went down. We tapped that VWAP. We pushed through it slightly, but we're pushing back up here. Bull stepped in pretty quick after that drop. But look at this candle right now. Come on, Betsy. Gotta make some smoney's. Listen, if I'm able to put in $1,000 per account today, your boy will be over cloud 9. Yesterday, put in just over $4,000 yesterday. So we're gonna see what we can do today. Sorry to hear, bro. But you're good. I stream at night too, bro. Well, that'd be the morning for you. Yeah, that'd be the morning for you. Consolidating right now. The Renko bars there. Oh man. Oh man. What's the market trying to do today? We had those 2 bear flags print. And I always say, like, I want to say, like, can't say 90%, probably lower percentage than that. We normally can see what the market's going to do during the session, the couple minutes right before market open. So we printed 2 bear flags. So for me personally, I would be looking for another bear flag at this point, which it may be trying to do right now. But I don't like this wick on that previous candle. So good morning, Ule. Well, good evening to you, sir. How's your night going, bro? Hey, you're going to learn, bro. Keep showing up, put in the work. You'll get the results you want. You just have to stay consistent. I don't care if you feel like you suck at doing something. If you stay consistent, you'll actually become good. Ule, I'm living the dream, bro. I'm trading with you guys. I'm just excited to be here. So we're chilling. Come on, Betsy. Okay. Yep. Be careful. Be careful. Are you funded with Apex or it's an eval? Hey, baby. What people? Okay. All right. I'll be right back, folks. Got someone at my front door. Oh, stop crying. Stop crying.
Where's everybody at? Y'all winning, losing? What's up?
Green.
We watching. Just watching right now. Not me.
Yeah, I'm hoping it keeps going lower. I'm hoping that's the play because the VWAP is lower.
I'm back.
Welcome back.
They came with a stump grind, the palm tree song, but they did not communicate they were coming.
They, those places, they probably had like the equipment available, like go hit that, you know what I mean? It just like the grinder was on your part of town.
Yeah. Well, even yesterday they were supposed to come like last week. They came yesterday.
Well, the tree's still gonna be there for them, It's
Yeah, it wasn't going anywhere, but now it's gonna get real loud probably.
not just after the next trade that Duane takes.
Hey, anything to help me not FOMO into a trade right now? We're good. Yeah, I'm hoping it's not a chop day today. But we're gonna see what we get. Look at that wick on that 5 minute. Ooh-wees. Ooh-wees. Once this guy's done, I'll have to run back downstairs, move my truck back to the driveway. Since the palm was right next to the driveway. Just so that way my truck's not on the road. Because today's trash day. Has anyone taken a trade yet or no? Everyone's sitting flat.
Yeah.
Are we up, down, all around?
I take no trades. I'm still waiting.
Well, we got a lot of selling pressure right now. Okay. Yep. I'm gonna be sitting flat for another 6 minutes. Well, 7 minutes, but coming up on 6 minutes.
Who's counting?
I know, right? Who's counting? Who's counting? I am. I know that for a fact. I'm counting.
Did you get your journal back at Tradeify?
No, it's still not showing.
Yeah, because mine's not either, so I was curious.
Which is slightly annoying because I really like looking at my stats and everything. Nice is, have you traded your funded yet or not yet? Remember, base hits, fam. Base hits, just little profits each and every day. They add up to be big profits. Come on, Betsy. Right now, the low of this range so far is 318 even. 318 even's the low of this range right now. It's not a big range today. Because right now, the high of this range is sitting right up there around like 392, 392.50. But these wicks, like, still a lot of selling pressure. Still a lot of selling pressure right now. Whenever the bulls lose, this bad boy's going to waterfall. Awesome, excited, bro. I wish we didn't have these buying wigs because it would make me feel a little bit more comfortable for a potential short. Come on, Betsy. Because the whole thing is you don't want to short into buying wigs. So if you do anything, don't short into buying wigs and you'll be relatively safe.
That's a good safety tip right there. Because we've all been there. You jump in and it's like, oh.
Toby, I'm excited for you, bro. Congrats. So we came down. We almost touched the VWAP right there. All right, guys. The guy's done with the stump grinder. I need him to move so I can run downstairs. I'm getting my steps in this morning. This is crazy.
Hey,
what's up, Bruce?
You said you're gonna fast, so do a little cardio first and really fire it up.
Rhonda, if you look at the previous candles, the bottom wicks, those are the buying wicks. Oh, there we go. We cleared those wicks. Woo, okay. Come on, Betsy. So the low of this range now is 308.25. 308.25. Come on, phone. Hurry up. I'm trying to see if the guy moved his truck yet. Because I want to run downstairs, put my truck in the driveway. Okay, cool. We may build another bear flag, which I'm all for, on this 5 minute. But I don't want to miss the move because we're coming up. I'm 30 seconds out from being fully clear to trade.
Uh-oh, you know when that happens.
And this is torture watching this just fall like this. We just went through the close from yesterday. Coming down to that pivot now. Oh. Through the pivot like it wasn't even there. Let's see how we react here. That's painful. Now I'm officially clear to trade. So we did break out of the range already. All right, we're back in the 15-minute range now. The low of the range, 273. 273 is the low of the range. The high for the range is up there at 392.50. 392.50. And we got that some buying pressure right here. So I'm not trying to fight the buying pressure. Well, I man. Why am I so disciplined sometimes?
You know, it's just building liquidity right now.
It's building liquidity. Hey, whatever wants to do, I'm fine with. That was a nice little waterfall right there. That been a easy 1,000 plus. All right, we got 25 seconds left on this 2-minute candle. We have news at 10 o'clock. We do have news at 10 today. Back to that pivot point right there. Let's see if we stay below. Oh, I was gonna say, let's see if we stay below the pivot. Pop right up. $11 minutes for the 10 o'clock news to come out. Look at those wicks on those candles. That's why I'm like hesitant to want to go short, because we got those buying wicks. Down to that pivot again. Woo! Man, this thing is absolutely crazy right now. Well, we clear that buying pressure out. First target to the low side, 213 even. 213 even for me. Man, this thing is straight playing right now. It's playing. Pull this down. Let's see if we stay below this pivot. Nice time. That's awesome, bro. Good job. We're back into the low of the 15-minute range right now. I'm just trying not to take a bad trade here. Let's see if we get another flag here on the 2-minute. We're dancing close to this pivot. Let's get to my yellow line here. She's dancing right now. She's dancing. Back into the low of the 15-minute range. We still got that selling pressure. Bitcoin, buy low, buy the dip, sell the rips. That's my thoughts on Bitcoin. What's up, Lucas? All crypto's been dipping lately. So it'd be, for me, that's the good time to buy. Good morning, sir. Trying to be patient right now. Easier said than done. I'm looking to see if we get this bear flag on the 2-minute chart. In the 5-minute, we just have some buying pressure down here. So that's why I just don't want to go short.
Keep in mind, we are getting like within 4 minutes of the news as well.
Thank you, Steve. We're getting close to that news as well at 10 o'clock. Okay. Well, I thought I closed at 340. I didn't get 340. I got 180. Oh, why did I do that? I was not trying to actually click. That's crazy. Let's see if I can get out of this. Thank God. I was not trying. I thought my mouse was over here. I accidentally clicked and it put me in a trade. God. Focus, Duane. Focus. That's not what we're trying to do here. We got 3 minutes. 3 minutes for the news. On the 2-minute Nasdaq, bro. 2-minute Nasdaq. Let me rotate to the next account. I'll hold till this news comes out. We did hit my first target to the low side down here, the 213 level. And we also took out the overnight low as well. 2 minutes for news, 2 minutes for news here. Honestly, Smooth, I'm just waiting for the news to come out. But my next target to the low side here is down at 153, 153.50. That's my next target, 153.50. What's up, Chris? I normally use TradingView's journal for the news, but it's not working right now. But if you're like using TradingView, you could look at the news there as well. We got retail sales or home sales construction stuff coming out at 10. So I have on my TradingView, I use the Lux Algo Orban targets. So that's what I'm using for my targets. The Lux Algo Orban targets, you set for the 15-minute range and it automatically prints them. Keeps you from guessing. Here come. We got 10 seconds. 10 seconds for the news. I do not recommend being in trade right now. This is the Nasdaq futures. Well, pretty uneventful news right there. Okay. I'll let it get to like 10:01 here just to confirm that nothing else is going to be getting wonky. We don't want delayed news. Malaysia, that's awesome. Appreciate you tuning in. Hey, big money. We're green for the day. Can't say it's big money. Took a base hit in one account so far. We're trading the Nasdaq. There's the bull stepping in right there. We're trading the Nasdaq, the Nasdaq. I'm trading on Ninja Trader, but I'm trading through prop firms. Maybe we start to build another flaggy flag. I'll be okay with that. Canada, what part? I was just in Calgary. Went up to Bath last month. How we feeling, market makers? How we feeling, boys? We feeling good? We up, down, all around?
Just ready for some action.
I feel that one. Feel that one. Yeah, we loved it up there, bro. Like those mountains. We stayed for sunset. I think it was on the Silver Mountain, and it was amazing. 94 base hit. Hey, base hits are base hits. They add up over time. We're consolidating right now in the Rinko bars. So not trying to jump in while consolidating. Trust me, I've done it. It's not fun. I don't know why my camera's not working, but I'm pretty sure the guy's gone because it's super quiet outside. Super quiet.
A little too quiet.
That's like when your kids are like not breaking stuff, just like horse playing, you're completely fine. But as soon as it goes silent,
Oh yeah.
that's when you get nervous.
That's when you know that you're actually a parent. Like when it's like too quiet.
Come on, Betsy, a little bit more. Closed out right there, 410 on that trade. We'll take that. I did take a short because I saw my yellow line. I'm like, I feel like we gotta go down there and touch it. Yeah, the news was very uneventful today. If
you didn't know it was there, you wouldn't have known it was there.
Yep. Let's rotate to the next account. Bam, bam. We'll do this one. What's that number? So we just came down and touched that 213 level. That was one of the first targets I had from the 15-minute range low here. What's up, Jeff? So now I just want to see if we get down to my yellow line here to take another short. Alrighty, well, we pretty much engulfed that previous candle almost. Okay. But let's see, because right now, let me get some more lines.
Man, I'm excited. I made enough to pass the eval. I just gotta watch out, get the consistency right,
Okay.
and hopefully in 3 days this will clear.
Awesome, bro. Awesome. What account was it? Was it a select account?
Yeah, it was a select, and just today they gave me a free reset because something happened on one of them last night. So they let me reset it. Just today, I think it was like 28. And I'm like, yeah, I'm going to walk away. I'm about to take a picture of it right now.
Smart man. Put it in the discussion in the community.
For sure.
That's awesome. Good job, bro. Good job. Retap my yellow line there. I want to push through it with follow through. Give me some follow through. I'm going to take it. Quick 210 on that trade. I'm just base hitting. I'm just simply base hitting here. Oh, that's trash. That's trash. I tried taking another one on that account. That's awesome, bro. Good job, Smooth. That's what I love to see. I love to see y'all win. I love to see you guys win. Oh, did I just switch it? My bad. Did I forget to switch it back? If I did, I apologize, folks. So my second target is 153.50, 153.50 here. We have some buying pressure sitting where we're currently at right now. So just want to clear this buying pressure for another short. So up for the day, a little bit over $1,000 so far for the day. No complaints there, but we're gonna keep this train rolling. Jeff, I love trading as well, bro. This is the best thing anyone can ever do for themselves. For everyone that trades with Tradeify, I think their journal will be fixed tomorrow. They're doing some new integrations because they're going to be doing crypto trading as well. So I think that's what happened with the journal. Whatever update that they're doing, it took longer than expected. But they're releasing whatever tomorrow, I'm assuming. Because the CEO has a big like town hall call tomorrow. From Kenya, that's awesome. It's only 10:11. It feels like it's like 10:30, 10:45 right now for me. I actually woke up early today. Believe it or not, I rolled out of bed not at 8:40, but at 8 o'clock.
Whoa, slow down there, mister.
I know, right? Like, watch out, folks. Let's see if we clear some of this previous candle wick. That puts us down 169.75. Why did I unpin that? What are you doing, Duane? Come on, Betsy. So back up there to that 213 level. That was our first target from the 15-minute range today. Person detected on. What was that? Market not really doing much right now. And don't worry, I have a solution. What's up, Profits? I'm going to run downstairs to move my truck real quick.
Oh, yeah, that'll do it.
And then when I'm gone, the market's going to rip for y'all. So when it rips, just be ready for it. What's going on with this computer? This is crazy. Prophet, sorry you've been sick, bro. Hopefully you feel better. But for everyone trading the Nasdaq, get ready for the move. I'm running downstairs to move the truck. It's going to happen as soon as I leave. Be right back, folks.
What move is this?
Just expect the market to do something, G. It's going to do something crazy.
Yeah, because Dwayne's stepping away from his computer, so it's gonna like go nuts.
All right, boys, I'm back. Market didn't do anything. That's crazy. I'm sorry.
No,
Normally it would.
You're good. You're good.
What's up, Anthony? Good morning, bro. Is that 1 second chart? That's a Renko chart. Come on, Betsy. Give us some type of movement. I'm not feeling the movement today. After the initial drop this morning, right now we're just going sideways. I'm gonna have to get my blower out after I get off stream before I leave. The guy left all the stump grindings in my driveway.
I can't actually believe that they stump ground a palm tree. Usually it's like you don't need to have that much effort on the thing.
No, guy was here for 2 seconds.
I know, because usually you could take it out a lot less and be less destructive.
Yeah, it was a big stump though. The palm was really big. But he clearly didn't have a blower because I heard a rake.
Oh no.
But a rake's not going to do it. You gotta blow it off the driveway, bro. Talk to it nice. All right, Cam, I'll talk to the market nice. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. You know what you want to do. You want to give us another move. Are we getting ready to push? Possible bull flag. Let's clear this wick. Let me get another line, actually. We still got selling pressure. That's why I'm just sitting here waiting at this point. All right, bears trying to flip that candle. They flipped it for a second. Tons of selling pressure. So I would not be trying to buy into that big old selling wick right there. That's just bad business. Yeah, right now, boys, just sit on your hands, and ladies, sit on your hands. This market right now, it's not something you want to be getting chopped up in. We gotta wait for the move. This is where real traders make their money. They make their money by not losing money. There's a pump out of nowhere, so. Alrighty. I don't know how I feel about that right there. Good morning, BP. Toby, if you're in the middle of a range, you definitely don't want to trade it. You don't want to trade in consolidation. Trust me, I've done it plenty of times. I've lost a lot of money doing so. So that's why I recommend not even touching it if it's consolidating. BP, how you doing today, bro? Man, the life of a full-time trader, right? Waking up at 10:24 Eastern, but I know it's earlier your time. But must be nice. So far, so good. You know my saying, $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. We kept them away once again, but now we're trying to add some more to another funded account. Just waiting for another move. BP, can you believe tomorrow marks 1 week away from us having dinner, bro? Craziness. Yo, this market is slow right now. We're slow and we're going sideways right now, so be careful, folks. Be careful. I'm excited, BP. I'm excited. It's always good meeting my younger brothers. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I gotta sit on my hands. Like the way the market's, like it's almost like trying to hypnotize me. Like it's like making me think it's moving and it's not moving.
Everybody's moving.
Everyone's moving and grooving. When this thing pops, because it's going to pop eventually here in either direction, because right now we're just building up. We're just building up for a move since we're consolidating. I'm excited for Colombia next month, because I'm going to Medellin. And we gonna have some fun out there. Toby, slow and steady, bro. Slow and steady. Like honestly, bro, if I was down $400 on a trade, I wouldn't trade that account anymore for the day. Because for me, what I've noticed, yes, you can definitely clean it up, but you're more prone to making it worse than actually fixing it. At least for me. If I have a losing trade on an account, I never clean it up, because I know that if I lose again, I'm just going to make it worse. So I'd rather just take the L on the account, come back the next day. And that's another reason why I'm able to keep my accounts for such a long period of time, because I'm not, if I have a losing trade, I'm not revenge trading. There's a 21 EMA tap right there. Good morning, Amanda. Trading psychology 100%. Oh, my brother finally in the chat. Good morning, Brett. Hopefully you're doing well today, bro. I wait for the next day because for me, whenever I try cleaning a bad trade up, whenever I'm trying to clean it up, right, I end up normally, sometimes I can clean it up, but I'm more likely to lose more money than actually clean it up because for me, this is also, trading is 95% psychology. 95% psychology, 5% clicking the button in your actual strategy. So for me, when I see red, it makes me want to go red, if that makes sense.
No,
So
it
that's
makes
why I
sense.
love seeing green, because I want to go green. And that's just me. Amanda, you're not late. This is not a job. You ain't clocking in and clocking out. Are we finally going to start pushing here? I want to get above 260.25. 260.25. Exactly. So it's easier, right? So I rotate through my funded accounts. It's easier for me to continue putting money in my accounts when I'm seeing green, when I'm rotating, than if I see red and then I rotate. Because psychologically, I'm green. You know what I'm saying? I'm excited. I'm ready. When I see red on funded accounts, I'm like, oh, okay, let me slow down. Let me figure out what's going on. Makes me sometimes a little bit more hesitant, where I wait for extra confirmation to take the trade so I don't go red. The more you trade, yes, you'll become better, but it's not about how many trades you're putting on per day. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not about how many days you're trading or how many trades you take in a day. It's about how many reps you could get coming each and every day. So it's not you taking the trades, it's about you showing up each day. I use bull flex, bear flex, and momentum. And right now we have no momentum and we don't have a flag yet. So we're in a holding pattern, patiently waiting for some type of move. Now we're starting to move, but we have this wick at 169.75 that for me personally, that's the one I want to clear out just so I know we're not going to get bought up. Come on, Betsy. We tap my yellow line on the 5-minute chart there.
It's getting dangerous.
That it is. I'll be jumping off right at 11 today. I gotta go pick stuff up for my son's class. It's his birthday, so he's having a party in his school today.
It's amazing. You said that 5 years is a lot, but when your kids are like in college, then it's really amazing.
Because the
When
house
they
is
bring-
quiet.
Then they bring you pizza.
Now we're talking. I use Rinkos to spot the momentum. No, I'm using the Rinkos and the standard candlestick. I use both. If you just try trading Rinkos by himself, you will lose a lot of money. Just saying. Coming down to my yellow line again. Let's see if we get some follow through here. I may take a short. But I need some good momentum and follow through. Come on, Betsy. I'll kill this one quick if it doesn't go the way I want. Keeping it tight on this trade here. I closed it. 670 on that trade right there. 670 on that trade. Even if it keeps going, I'm not upset because I made profit. What's up, Kevin? Amanda, no, you did not hear a pool party. No pool party, folks. No pool party.
Amanda said that we could all go to your house and have a pool party.
No, Amanda's lying. She's in Atlanta. So she's lying.
Yeah, but you know what? Amanda knows that you what an airplane is, so she said all your out of town followers could fly in, and we could all meet. And give her some credit. I'm tired of you like discounting her knowledge of the air traffic.
No, I'm not discounting Amanda's knowledge of flying or anything like that. I'm not doing that, folks. Like, give me a break, folks. Give me a break. So we did hit our second target. It took a while to get there. It was 153.25 was our second target there. So we did hit that. Third target just printed as well. 25,093.75. We got a pivot point down there, 69.50 also. So, ooh-wees. 230 on that one right there. Just base hitting here. Just base hitting. That's all I do. All I do is base hits every single day. Why do I base hit? Because it's a little bit safer and it's easier to get payouts when you do base hits. Do I love home runs? 100%. But when you take a base hit, you'll hit a home run sometimes. But you're consistently getting on base for the majority of the time. So when you hit the home runs, hey, that's awesome. The next trade, you go for a base hit.
I snuck in here, by the way.
Oh, there he is.
BP sneaking up on me like that, bro. I said you have to say "yer." You have to say "yer," so I'm prepared. Okay, that's what the "yer" does. It prepares me.
I was going to, but you were speaking, and I didn't want to talk over you.
He said we're gonna have a pool party, but we each have to provide our own pool.
Oh, nice.
How you doing today, bro? How you doing?
I'm doing okay. I'm looking at the price action here, and I'm seeing that we had a pretty nice push to the downside.
That we did. Sneaky is good, Amanda, but when I'm on stream, I can't do sneaky. Okay, I like sneaky off these streams, but on these streams, I need to know who's coming in the chat, especially with my market makers coming on the Zoom call, sneaking up on me, because BP's my captain. He's my captain for the market makers.
Okay, what the hell am I then? After all this time,
You a jive turkey, Steve. You a jive turkey. I'm debating if I take another trade on this account. Nah, just lock in $2,000 today. I'm just gonna lock in and keep it moving. I'm gonna switch over to 150K eval since I'm getting off in 20 minutes. Let me see if I could. Well, actually, I could add to that one too.
So many choices.
Decisions. The decisions. No, I'll do the 150K right now. I'm fully funded with Tradeify, but I still have eval, so I just passed. So that way, if I ever, one of my funded soldiers ever dies on the battlefield, he has a replacement ready. BP, where you getting into today, bro? What you getting into today, fam?
What's today? Thursday? Honestly, I don't know. I have no idea what I want to do today.
I love it. All right, we just hit our third target, by the way. We just hit our third target, pushed right through it like it wasn't even there. Let's see how we react.
I wanted to hop into a short here, but I was like, damn,
short?
Looks like we could get ready. Not now, but
oh, BP, you said short. I took the short.
No. 12 or 14 contracts.
This is an eval, folks. This is an eval. I'm just messing around at this point. Do not follow these trades anymore because I am a little bit more risque.
Risque?
With evals.
Risque? Oh my goodness.
Brett's laughing, BP. Brett, BP told me to take a short. I took the short. Now I'm in drawdown on this eval. I'm just going to get ready to close it.
Can't blame me, man. You didn't even let me finish my sentence.
You said short. The captain said short.
But not yet. I mean, we're in a downtrend. But it should be fine, hopefully.
Hopefully. From your lips to God's ears, BP. Or else I'm going to see you next week and we're going to talk about this trade.
No.
Oh my goodness. We're going to talk.
Not to talk about this trade. It's going to be fine, though. It'll be fine.
Okay. BP says it's going to be fine. So
yeah, we'll just have to hope that we come and take this previous New York AM low at like 55.
Well, we got a pivot point below us. That's why I kind of just took it just to take it. Because I did take a calculated risk. But hey, we have a pivot point down there. The likelihood of us touching is pretty high. So that's why I'm like, you know what? Let me mess around here. Come on, Betsy. Give me the pivot point. I want the pivot. Getting slightly aggressive here.
Get out, Duane. Just get out. When it goes down. Just get out.
Everyone's telling me to get out. But we got the pivot down there. You know what I'm saying? Like, that pivot's acting as a magnet right now. Let's see if we get this flag of pay. We have the bear flag that's trying to print. Just trying to see if the bears fully step in for the flush. So we're sitting on top of the third target right now. We are sitting on top of the third target. Just waiting to see if the bears can fully step in here and drop this. If not, I may just close this one out.
For shorts right now, I just wouldn't want to see it like come back too high. I mean, it could be just mitigating before another drop, but it is starting to look like it is gaining some momentum, but we'll have to see.
Let's see. This should be where the bears step in right here. Let's see if we get it or not. Because if they don't, I'll just close this one out. But pretty sure they're going to step in.
Yeah, this is looking a lot better. We just want to get through here.
I want the pivot point. Your boy wants the pivot point. I want the pivot.
I still want to see if we can get to
show
55.
me the money. Flush it. I'm waiting for that full flush here. I closed out. I made $75 on the eval, boys. I'm happy. $75 on the eval. Big ball of shot collar in the eval. We hesitated. I didn't like how we hesitated there, so I'm like, let me just get out green, cover the fees, and we keep it moving. Let's see. And we'll go to that one as well. I'm just rotating through some of the evals I got here, just to give me something to do. I've already made my monies in my funded accounts today. Like, this thing's so tempting. Look at the 5 minute as well right there. Like, that's just showing me that it wants to do something, boys.
It wants a pool party.
We want the pool party. Let's see if we break through that line on the 5 minute chart there with follow through. Your boys want to take another short. This is the eval, just so y'all know. I gotta put that disclaimer out there. Nature Boy, I'm glad you're learning every day, bro. That's why I'm doing this, man. I want to see you guys win. I gotta see, is there, BP, do you know if there's horseback riding in San Antonio, bro?
I have no idea.
I'm gonna have to see. I want to ride a horse. I need a photo of me on a Clydesdale with a black hat. Yeah, I said, I gotta have a trading shirt on.
If you're riding a horse, you're probably not gonna ride a draft horse because those aren't very comfortable to ride. Those are like.
I said Clydesdale because I'm so big, so I need a big horse.
I understand, but you probably wouldn't want to have a Clydesdale. It's like the gate on that thing will just. Oh.
What up, Unc? Bro, I ain't that old, fam. Jesus. Someone called me Unc. Wow.
Oh, that's my nickname for you.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Hey, man, you said you're like, you passed 30, man. Jeez.
Yeah, but that's not no Unc. That's craziness. I'm in the prime of my life right now. Just when I thought I heard it all, got called Unc. Man, I'm gonna go cry after the stream now. Jesus. Yeah, so we're literally on this third target right now. We gotta lose some of these wicks for me to feel more comfortable going down. Take it with a grain of salt. That's crazy, bro. We got these buying wicks down here. So I just want to clear some of these wicks out so that way I can feel a little bit more comfortable taking it short. Dang, Nature Boy, now you're calling me fat? What's going on with the chat? He said big. No, I'm just messing because he said, my bad, I didn't mean to write it twice. I got 6 minutes. I got 6 minutes before I have to jump off today.
Hey, Big Unc, what's your recommendation on the market?
Honestly, right now, I would be looking to hit that 24,000. To break into the 24,000s again. Because we just lost that pivot point. Just cleared yesterday's low as well. That's the next thing up for grabs is that 24,000 number. Right now we got our fourth target. Our fourth target for the day sitting at 25,034. 25,034 is our fourth target. We're right here at the yesterday's low as well. 25,057.75 is yesterday's low. But solid day in the market's green on all accounts today that I traded. So that's that. I like that. I like clean days like that. So far for the month, we're up over $20,000 in profits this month, which is crazy. So I'm trying to see if we could potentially hit 40 grand this month. That would be solid. Like, I want to put on another trade just to say I did it, but I also don't because I'm green across the board. But we're coming up to our fourth target here.
Oh, I didn't even realize we did take out the 55 that I was interested in.
Who's at my front door? That's old. Jesus, my cameras are like tripping out today.
Yeah, one of my son's friends came by, and he was dressed in like a blue shirt and wearing like khaki short or pants. So I was like, I ignored him because I thought it was a stupid sales guy. We get the guys in the neighborhood, buy solar.
So we did touch our fourth target there. Honestly, the 24,000 is coming up. Have a good one, Amanda. Luckily, we don't get the solar sales guys in my neighborhood because it's a gated community. So they can't come in and walk around. And if they do, they're on like everybody's next door in the community. There's a solar guy walking around. How do you get in? It's hilarious.
That's how, I mean, there was a point in time where it was like the same company. Like I kept saying no, and they kept coming back, and I let it rip. I was just like, I was basically, old man, get off my lawn. It's like, if I want solar, I got something called the internet. I can schedule that. It's not like the 20s where,
yeah.
Like whoever like buys something from a phone call, like telemarketer, or buys something door to door, you suck because you're keeping an industry going that should die. That's my wisdom for the day. I mean, seriously, it's like if you want a roof or something, you'll get the bids the right way. You're not gonna have some ass jack show up in front of your house.
All right, folks, I got less than a minute here. I'm mad that I had to go because this thing's going back into the 24,000s. I've been feeling like this for the past like 2 days here. And sure enough, it's coming. Well, everyone, I've truly enjoyed trading with you guys today. Legacy, make sure you put your wins and losses in the community discussion to stay accountable here. And do something active today, everyone. Because if you have discipline off the charts, you'll have discipline on the charts. So go be active today. Do something physical. And just have a great day. Good job, Nature Boy. $200 is great, bro. That's solid. We did over total for today would have been about $2,000, a little bit over $2,000. We're gonna keep it moving. So did we hit? No, we did 25,002. It's gonna break that 24. It's going to the 24. Now hopefully it does it quick so I could sit here for it, but actually I can't because I gotta go. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day. I will catch y'all tonight on the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. With that being said, enjoy your day.
Take care.
All right, guys.
All right, Dwayne.
All right, G.
Later, G. Later, VP.
All right, guys.